It's official. This Wednesday, Hershey Park will be officially releasing the details for RMC Wildcat. So in this video, I will be sharing my final locked-in predictions for what it could look like. So let's get right into it and start predicting the key moments in the layout. I can see it being about 160 to 180 feet tall, and finding some way to use a straight drop, or at least one that is only twisted at the bottom. The way I can pull this off is by making the lift till 45 degrees up and taking out the pre-lift. One thing I want to quickly point out is the possibility of it being a launched hybrid coaster. But I just don't really see that happening, because Premier teased this for IAAPA, but it could also just be some other coaster. The drop would probably be just 90 degrees like other hybrids. It seems like the magic number of inversions for those coasters are anywhere from 3 to 4, usually featuring a 0G stall. RMC has really stepped out of their comfort zone when redoing these wooden coasters. They sometimes expand the layout and jump to a different part in the layout, reusing some of the same footers from either earlier or later on in the ride, but still mostly kind of following the same path. Just look at Iron Gwazi. It's pretty much a completely different roller coaster now. I mean, it literally used to dual, and now it's like you can't even tell that it's the same roller coaster. Hershey Park has cleared a lot of land by the brake run and station, which could be used to expand the layout. This would probably have to be the end of the ride because the area is too tight to fit anything going 60 miles per hour plus. So probably just like the end of Steel Vengeance with a lot of bunny hills. Or it could be a reroute of the queue line. No one really knows. I do think that it'll have some new element or inversion because RMC loves their weird element names. I mean, just look at Air Force One. I mean, who knows what a chili dip is? One thing I'm happy about is they most likely won't be getting a candy theme, because in all these teasers it has like a dark, evil looking font, and just the entire feel of them is all like almost like Halloweenish. So I think they could do something to do with cats and witches. So anyway, that's all I have to say. So I hope everyone else is excited for Wednesday when they announce it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.